So we are done with examples. Let's move on to exercise questions. So in the இடத்துல you have product of three different terms. So நம்ம usually என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we write this as u, v, w. d by dx என்னவா இருக்க போகுது, d by dx of u, v, w will be v dash times u, w plus u dash times v, w plus w dash times vu. இந்த மாதிரி multiple times நம்ம derivative கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டே இருக்கணும். So instead of that we are going to use the log function. So we are not going to use this now. We are going to use the logarithmic function. You will see how easy it is. So இது எப்படி நம்ம எழுத போறோம், you are going to write this as u equals, I'll also erase this. So y equals cos x cos 2x cos 3x. Taking log on both sides, I'll have log y equals log of cos x cos 2x cos 3x. This product formula I have a, b, c. What happens? What is the formula? Log of product irundhuna, you can write them in terms of addition. So log a plus log b plus log c. Ide division irundhuna, log of a divided by b will give me log of a minus log of b. Okay, division na subtraction, multiplication na addition. Please remember. Now what is my next step? Log y, I am not taking the derivative yet, I am just simplifying the question. Okay, so log y equals product arka, so I'll have log a which is cos x plus log b which is cos 2x plus log c which is cos 3x. So இப்போ log ஓட derivative என்ன, d by dx of log x is going to be 1 by x. Okay, as simple as that. Now when I differentiate on both sides, what will I have? 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos x times d by dx of on the particular x, correct? This is not simply x, it is some function of cos. So you have to differentiate cos x also. Plus in the 1 by cos 2x times d by dx of cos 2x, correct? You have to differentiate the particular function. So d by dx of cos 2x plus third term enna, 1 by cos 3x d by dx of cos 3x. Okay, so now இது என்ன ஆக போகுது, this side 1 by y dy by dx, RHS ல என்ன இருக்கு, 1 by cos x stays the same. What do I have inside the bracket? Cos x ஒரு derivative is minus sin x plus 1 by cos 2x times cos 2x ஒரு derivative minus sin 2x d by dx of 2x again, correct? This is simply x. அதனால இந்த இடத்துல direct x வந்துருச்சு. But here I have 2x. So I need to differentiate the particular 2x also. Okay. What is my third term? Plus 1 by cos 3x. d by dx of cos 3x is minus sin 3x. But I need to do d by dx of 3x. Correct? Now dy by dx is equal to y times இங்க என்ன இருக்கு, minus sin x divided by cos x minus 2. d by dx of 2x is going to be simply 2. d by dx of 2x is simply going to be 2. இது வந்து simply going to be 3. So I'll have minus 2 sin 2x divided by cos 2x minus 3 sin 3x divided by cos 3x. But what is my y from the question? It is going to be cos x cos 2x cos 3x, correct? அதுதானே நம்ம first assign பண்ணோம். So we'll have cos x cos 2x cos 3x times sin by cos and tan. So I'll have minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x, coefficient and 2x minus 3 tan 3x. Okay, so this is my final answer. dy divided by dx. Please copy. Question number 2. This is very similar to the example question. So adhe dhaan nama panna porom. What will I have? Y equals, I can rewrite this as x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 the whole power half. இந்த மாதிரி rewrite பண்ணலாமா? Now I'm going to take log on both sides. So I'll have log y equals, in that the power comes down. This is basically log of some function to the power half. So the power half comes down. Okay, so in that na rendu step எழுதல, I'm writing it in one single step. So half of log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. Okay, again using the log function or the formula, log of AB is going to be the sum of A plus B or the log. Then division, log of A by B is going to be the subtraction, log A minus log B. So அதை இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணா this is A divided by B first. So என்ன ஆகும், log Y equals half of, put a bracket for half, log of the numerator which is x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus the denominator. So log of x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So numerator and the denominator split பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துலயே it is of the form log of a into b. இங்க log of a, b, c இருக்கு, product இருக்கு. So I'm going to change them in terms of addition. So I have log y equals half of addition இருக்கு. So log a plus log b minus, there is a minus, so open another bracket, minus log of abc. Again it is going to be log of x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. Okay, the bracket is very very important. Bracket illana இந்த இடத்துல sign தப்பாயிடும். Here it is a plus now, but when you remove the bracket it becomes a minus. இந்த minus உள்ள போச்சுனா you will have a minus. கரெக்ட்டா? அது next stepல பண்ணுவோம். So what do I have now? Log y equals 1 by 2 of log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. So I have basically multiplied the minus inside the bracket. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். Now I am going to differentiate. So LHSல என்ன இருக்கும்? 1 by y times dy divided by dx equals half of log x or a derivative is going to be 1 by x. So here I have 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 2 minus 1 divided by x minus 3. I also have to do d by dx of x minus 3. So d by dx of x minus 3 and 3 is a constant, derivative is going to be 0. X is a function of x, so d by dx of x is simply going to be 1. So this is basically 1 by x minus 3 times 1. Okay, and the 1 தான் நம்ம எழுதல. It is built inside it. Okay, so we are not writing that. Next, minus 1 divided by x minus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 5. Okay, now d by dx, dy by dx is equal to half into y. This y goes to the other side. This y when it comes to the other side. What is my y from the question? It is going to be x minus 1, x other square root. அது அப்படியே எழுதணும். So I'll have square root of x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Open the bracket. மற்ற எல்லா டேர்மையும் அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதான். Plus x minus 2. There is nothing that can get cancelled. So you don't have to simplify this further. You can just leave it like that. Okay. Minus 1 divided by x minus 5. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 3. This is also very very easy. So இது எப்படி எழுத போறோம்? Y equals log x to the power cos x. Now taking log on both sides. இப்பதான் log on both sides எடுக்க போறேன். So I have log y equals log of log x to the power cos x. So when I have a power, it comes forward. So I'll have log y equals cos x times log of log x. So in the இடத்துல two different function இருக்கு. u, v. I'm not going to again take a log. இல்லாட்டி வரிசையா log ன்னு போயிட்டே இருக்க வேண்டியதான். So I have vu dash plus uv dash when I take the derivative. So left hand sideல என்ன இருக்கும்? 1 by y dy by dx equals vu dash. So first எழுதிலாமா? So u equals cos x. So u dash going to be minus sin x. v equals log of log x. வெறும் log x கிடையாது. v is going to be log of log x, the whole function. So this will be v dash in a log x or a derivative is 1 by x, which is log x. I again need to differentiate my log x. Correct? Don't forget that. Now I'll have 1 by log x times d by dx of log x is going to be again 1 by x. So this is my v dash. இப்போ இதை substitute பண்ணலாமா? v u dash, which is going to be log of log x times u dash, which is minus sin x plus uv dash, which is going to be cos x times v dash and 1 divided by x log x. Okay. Now dy by dx is going to be y times minus sin x log of log x plus cos x divided by x log x. But what is my y? Log x to the power cos x. I'll substitute panna log x to the power of cos x times mother terms are அப்படியே எழுத வேண்டியதான். So sin x log of log x, I cannot simplify anything further, plus cos x divided by x log x. Okay, please copy.